Have you ever avoided smiling because of bad breath or sensitive gums? I've been there and nothing seemed to work until I discovered ProDentim. ProDentim is not your typical dental product. It's a revolutionary chewable tablet packed with 3.5 billion probiotics and natural nutrients that target the root cause of oral health problems, the imbalance of bacteria in your mouth. Using ProDentim is simple. After brushing your teeth in the morning, just chew one tablet. That's it. The probiotics and nutrients start working immediately, promoting healthier gums, fresher breath, and brighter teeth. What sets ProDentim apart is its powerful ingredients. Lactobacillus Paracasei supports gum health and clears sinuses. B.lactis BL-04 balances bacteria in your mouth while boosting immunity. Inulin nourishes the good bacteria, helping them thrive. Malic acid naturally whitens teeth, and peppermint keeps your breath fresh all day. Within just a few weeks of using ProDentim, I noticed real results. My gums were healthier, my teeth looked visibly whiter, and my breath stayed fresh from morning to night. Thousands of others are experiencing the same transformation. Emily from Florida says, ProDentim changed my oral health completely. My gums feel amazing, my teeth are whiter, and I feel confident again. If you're ready to transform your smile, ProDentim is the answer. Click the link in the description below to try it for yourself today. Don't wait, your journey to healthier teeth and gums starts now.